Welcome to a land where ancient traditions meet futuristic skylines, where nature paints landscapes too surreal to believe, and where every corner hides a story waiting to be told. This is China in 2025, and we're chasing its most thrilling experiences, from hugging pandas to standing atop the real-life Avatar mountains. So buckle up, this is the ride of a lifetime. Our journey begins in the heart of Sichuan province, in a city renowned for its spice and its heart-melting ambassador to the world. This is Chengdu, and here, nestled amongst bamboo forests and lush greenery, lies the Dujiangyan panda base. Now you may have seen pandas on screens, their playful antics captivating hearts across the globe, but here, in this haven built for their conservation, you can experience something truly extraordinary. Here, you can hug a panda. Yes, you heard that right. A real live breathing panda. Imagine the feeling of soft, dense fur beneath your fingers, the gentle weight of a creature both powerful and endearing. The experience is more than just a photo opportunity. It's a connection to a species that tugs at the very heartstrings of our collective human experience. The air buzzes with excitement as visitors line up, their anticipation palpable. And then, it's your turn. A sense of awe washes over you as you approach the enclosure, a trained keeper by your side ensuring both your safety and the panda's well-being. The panda, with its characteristic black and white markings, regards you with a curious gaze, its demeanor calm and collected. Prepare to be transported, not by spaceship, but by the sheer awe-inspiring power of nature. Our next destination takes us to the Zhangjiajie National Forest Park in Hunan Province, a landscape so surreal, so otherworldly, that it seems plucked from the realm of fantasy. Remember the floating Hallelujah Mountains in James Cameron's Avatar? Those towering, gravity-defying peaks that captured the imagination of millions? Well, this is their real-life inspiration. As you stand at the foot of these sandstone titans, their sheer scale is enough to take your breath away. Imagine thousands of towering pillars, each one sculpted over millennia by the patient hand of wind and water, reaching for the heavens like emerald swords piercing the sky. But it's not just their size that astounds, it's their ethereal beauty. Shrouded in mist, these peaks appear to float, their bases often obscured, creating an illusion of a world suspended between earth and sky. Walk along the winding paths that snake through this forest and you'll feel like you've stepped into a Chinese ink painting, the air thick with the scent of pine and the sound of birdsong. Look closely, and you'll discover hidden waterfalls cascading down sheer cliffs, their waters sparkling like diamonds in the sunlight. And as you ascend higher, either by foot or cable car, the true majesty of Zhangjiajie unfolds before your eyes. From panoramic viewpoints, the entire park stretches out beneath you, a sea of green peaks disappearing into the hazy distance. It's a landscape that stirs the soul, that reminds us of the raw, untamed beauty of the natural world. From the ancient wonders of Zhangjiajie, we now catapult ourselves into the future, into the beating heart of modern China. Welcome to Shanghai, a city that pulsates with energy, ambition, and a relentless drive towards innovation. Imagine a skyline that seems to defy gravity, a symphony of glass and steel reaching for the clouds. This is Shanghai, a city where ancient traditions collide with futuristic aspirations, creating a dynamism that is both exhilarating and awe-inspiring. Our first stop takes us to the epitome of modern engineering, the Shanghai maglev train. Buckle up as you embark on a journey that redefines speed. Reaching a staggering 430 kilometers per hour, the maglev glides effortlessly above the tracks, propelled by magnetic levitation, giving you a taste of what it feels like to fly. As the cityscape whizzes by in a blur, you'll get a glimpse of Shanghai's incredible transformation, from its historic boon to its modern skyscrapers, a testament to China's rapid development. But the journey doesn't end there. Prepare to ascend to dizzying heights at the Shanghai Tower, an architectural marvel that pierces the heavens. As you step into the high-speed elevator, your ears might pop, a gentle reminder of the altitude you're about to conquer. And then, you're there, at the observation deck, standing on what feels like the top of the world. The cityscape stretches out beneath you, a tapestry of lights, buildings, and the meandering Huangpu River, reflecting the sky like a ribbon of molten gold. Hold on to your hats and prepare to have your senses dazzled, because our next destination takes us to a landscape that seems almost too incredible to be real. Imagine a canvas painted by a divine hand, where vibrant hues of red, orange, yellow and green collide in a breathtaking spectacle of color. Welcome to the Zhangye National Geopark, home to the Rainbow Mountains, a geological wonder that will leave you speechless. As you approach this otherworldly landscape, it's as if you've stepped into a surrealist painting. The rolling hills, sculpted over millions of years by the forces of wind and water, are adorned with stripes of vibrant colors, each layer a testament to different geological eras. It's a masterpiece of natural artistry, a testament to the sheer power of time and the Earth's incredible ability to transform itself. The colors are most vibrant at sunrise and sunset when the low-angled light casts long shadows and illuminates the peaks in a fiery glow. As you wander through this surreal landscape, you'll feel like you're exploring another planet, the air thick with the silence of millennia. The Rainbow Mountains are not just a feast for the eyes, they're a reminder of the Earth's long and fascinating history. Each layer of sediment tells a story, a chapter in the Earth's geological epic, from ancient seas to shifting tectonic plates. As you stand there, surrounded by this kaleidoscope of color, you can't help but feel a sense of awe at the sheer power and artistry of nature. From the fiery hues of the Rainbow Mountains, we journey now to a landscape of serene beauty, a place where time seems to flow at a different pace. Welcome to Guilin, a region in southern China renowned for its breathtaking karst mountains and the tranquil waters of the Li River. Imagine a landscape where towering limestone peaks, shrouded in mist, rise majestically from the water, their reflections shimmering on the surface like ethereal apparitions. This is Guilin, a place where poetry meets reality, where ancient landscapes inspire a sense of peace and tranquility. Our journey begins on the Li River, its waters a mirror reflecting the sky and the surrounding peaks. As you board a traditional wooden boat, you'll feel a sense of serenity wash over you, the gentle rocking motion lulling you into a state of peaceful contemplation. The scenery unfolds like a scroll painting, each bend in the river revealing a new vista, a new masterpiece of nature's artistry. Look closely and you'll spot fishermen casting their nets, their silhouettes etched against the backdrop of the karst mountains, a timeless scene that has played out for centuries. As you glide along the river, you'll pass by bamboo groves swaying gently in the breeze, their emerald green foliage a stark contrast to the gray limestone peaks. Keep an eye out for cormorant fishermen, their trained birds diving into the water to catch fish, a tradition that has been passed down through generations. The air is filled with the sound of birdsong, the gentle lapping of water against the boat, and the occasional distant chime of a temple bell, creating a symphony of tranquility that soothes the soul. Our final destination takes us to a symbol of China's enduring spirit, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. This is the Great Wall of China, a structure so vast, so awe-inspiring that it has captured the imaginations of travelers for centuries. Imagine a dragon of stone, snaking its way across mountains and deserts, stretching for thousands of miles, a testament to the ambition and determination of a civilization. This is the Great Wall, a structure that has stood for centuries, a silent guardian of a nation's history. As you approach the wall, its sheer scale is enough to take your breath away. The weathered stones, each one laid by hand centuries ago, seem to whisper tales of ancient battles of emperors and soldiers, of the rise and fall of dynasties. But it's at sunset that the Great Wall truly comes alive. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the landscape, the wall takes on a golden hue, its ramparts silhouetted against the fiery sky. Walk along the ancient pathways, feel the rough stone beneath your feet, and you'll feel a connection to the past, a sense of awe at the sheer scale of this human achievement. Look out over the vast expanse and you'll see the wall snaking its way across the landscape, disappearing into the distance, a testament to the boundless ambition of its creators. The silence is broken only by the wind whistling through the battlements, carrying with it the echoes of history. Stand here for a moment, close your eyes, and you might almost hear the clash of swords, the thunder of hooves, the shouts of soldiers defending their land. The Great Wall is more than just a wall, it's a symbol of China's enduring spirit, its resilience, its determination to overcome any obstacle. From panda hugs to avatar peaks, rainbow mountains to rocket speed trains, China in 2025 is a canvas of wonders. A place where ancient spirit meets modern magic. So if you're chasing thrills, stories, or just something new, make this your year to explore China, because the adventure is just beginning. If this journey amazed you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Which of these thrills would you chase first? Until next time, keep roaming with Roamly.